Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video. I have an exciting one for you today. So I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. I know it's a long name. You could just call it Fold 2. This is the third foldable phone that Samsung has. So they had the Fold 1, they had the Z Flip, and here is the Fold 2. So I got this 3 days ago for my birthday, for my 33rd birthday, and I've been playing around with it for three days. I just want to give you more than just an unboxing. Obviously, I already opened the box, so there's a lot of YouTube videos out there that already shows that. So I'll just show you real quick. So it comes with this nice Z. It comes with two colors, black or gold. I got the black. So you open it like a butterfly, and then pretty much in here you have all your paperwork. T-Mobile, I bought it through T-Mobile, so they give you a 5G SIM card, and the way you know it on T-Mobile, the SIM card itself will have a R15. This is actually my old one, but I know that because I already put it in my phone. What else you get? Just some paperwork here. SIM card ejector. This just shows you how to care for the screen. Remember, this is not dust or water resistant in any form. So just remember that. But Samsung does give you Galaxy Z Premier service. With this, it's kind of like a concierge service. So you call them if you have any issues. So that's pretty cool. And you get a one-time replacement for the screen for a really good offer of $150. I can't imagine how much that screen would cost because it's bendable. It's new technology. The phone is $2,000. Yes, it's very expensive. And yeah, change the shape of the future. Here we go. And here it is, guys. So this is the outside screen. It's a 6.2 inch. And this is the back, the 3 cameras. You do have a camera here as well. And you got the Samsung logo here. That's where the hinge is. And there's a fingerprint reader, plus you have the face unlock as well. Here you go, guys. Unfold the future. You have a tablet size. Just to give you a comparison, an iPad mini is 7.9 inch. This is a 7.6 inch. It might look a little smaller because the iPad mini has bezels this big on the bottom and on the top. Just to let you guys know. So I've been playing around with this and I love this phone. I love that it has the 120 hertz refresh rate. So it's really snappy. And one thing that I really like about this is the multitasking. So you go in here, you could save different apps that you want to pair together. So for example, I have YouTube and the internet at the same time. So I have them simultaneously, but you could also have them this way. Or you could also, you could also shrink down one as just like what you see here. You could add, I could add a calculator. So you can add up to 4 apps, which is crazy. The other cool thing, what I like is this camera. So let's just say if I take a picture here, as soon as I bend the phone, look, I have the pictures that I just took here on the side. And I can continue taking more pictures. So you could use this. The difference between the Fold and Fold 2, it didn't have this hinge where you could literally fold it on every angle for different things. Another cool thing you could use, if you turn this on, what it'll essentially do, I could take a picture of myself using the main cameras on the phone. And that is an amazing thing. Who needs to take a selfie with just a a camera that's used for zoom, right? So that's awesome. And the last thing I really want to show you guys real quick is something called Samsung DeX. So if you scroll down, there it is. So I'm gonna pair my TV to it. And this is not like how, I know iPhone, they have this mirror thing where you can mirror your phone to any laptop. This is completely different. You have a desktop experience. I believe on the Note 10, you're able to do this called DeX, but you need to plug it in. Now with the Fold 2 and also the Note 20, you could do it wirelessly. And this is what essentially it does. So I could have, I'm gonna show you guys what I could do. So I have a desktop here, but I still have my tablet, and I could utilize my tablet for anything else while I'm running the desktop as well. So I started school, so this is really good because now when I have my Zoom class and I want to follow along with the professor, I can open up here Connect, which is an application we use for school. And I could also open up Blackboard, which is something else that we use, and pretty much have that going on, right? While I'm here, these are some of my assignments that I do. So I have a trackpad here that has multiple functions as well, but I could just get out of here and look, I have this up. I could be following along. I, have the professor, have all the students watching them here, but I could also be here having my calculator and having my other notes that I need to do for school. And that is one of the biggest features. So some people might say like, wow, this phone is too expensive, it's $2,000. Yes, but if you see it in a form of, you have a desktop experience, you have a tablet, plus a phone. So you have your phone, you have your tablet, plus you have your desktop. As long as you have any type of monitor, even a $100 monitor, you'll turn that monitor into a laptop desktop experience. And that is one of my favorite features of the phone, that you're able to utilize the speed of this phone and everything that it has for that. So here it is, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down below, and let me know what else you would like to watch. Thank you for watching.